guided by our party's constitution. Equally uncouth behavior, such as the imposition of candidates, vote buying, and other electoral practices which divide the party, are not acceptable. I must reiterate that the quality of the candidates should correspond to the district coordinating committees we all envision as directed by the party's people annual national conference of 2018 London. The fight against corruption, both in the party and in the country, continues unabated. Gone are the days when members hide behind their status and abuse the name of the party to propagate corruption. Zambia and this administration, the Second Republic, will never allow the party to be a haven of malcontents and criminals. I must exhort party cadres and the citizenry at all levels, in line with our national development agenda, to be guarantors of a corrupt-free Zimbabwe. Report all cases of corruption to ZAC and or the ZRP. Comrades, the expression of solidarity by certain member states to our country cannot be overemphasized. The anti-sanctions day declared by the Southern African Development Community SADC is upon us. We must therefore rally the nation on the 25th of October 2020 to call upon Britain and America to unconditionally lift the imposed illegal sanctions. I urge every party member to utilize available media platforms to call upon the unconditional removal of these sanctions. Indeed, these sanctions must go. Meanwhile, I applaud all progressive forces in the diaspora who have joined us in echoing this call. Comrades, the Second Republic has achieved milestones as guided by our People's Manifesto. It is pleasing to note the resilience, determination, and focus of companies investing, trading, and doing business in our country. 2 days ago, I had the privilege to tour companies in Saratua and Masasa, where manufacturing industry is making significant contributions towards our gross domestic product and national earnings. The state enterprises and particles reform agenda remains our priority. Their wide and far-reaching impact, as well as efficient efficiency, is important in the establishment of a robust rural industry system and the growth of our economy as a whole. The agriculture summer crop farming season is now upon us. Let us therefore accelerate land preparations to ensure food and nutrition security for our people. We all have a weighty responsibility to feed ourselves and the nation. All leadership must mobilize and organize people to implement the presidential climate-proof Mvudza Twasa program. Equally, government has rolled out a presidential horticulture program which opens up wealth creation and employment opportunities for rural communities. In this regard, leadership at all levels must lead by example. The party membership must be active participants in the implementation of projects and programs being implemented at government level. For these are indeed derived from us, the party. We must mobilize and organize our people to tap into the opportunities arising from the various industrial value chains towards attaining broad-based and inclusive empowerment. Tomorrow I will be delivering my solemn statement in Parliament, and a broader statement covering issues up to now with regard to the year 2020. Our heritage-based education 5.0 model is delivering tangible results towards our quest to industrialize and modernize the economy. As Chancellor of all universities, I annually officiate with their graduation ceremonies. Their determination to establish innovation and industrial parks as building blocks for our national development agenda is commendable. Finally, comrades, let us continue to safeguard and promote the founding principles and ideology of our party towards sustaining peace, unity, and development. Let us now turn to today's agenda.